Oh my gosh, it's so difficult. Can you message me, BD? I cannot tap your... okay na pala. Okay na. It's okay. It's all good. All good. All okay. Are you doing multi-later? Yes, I am. I in fact doing multi-later. Hi, Chef! How are you, Chef? Kamusta ka, Chef? See you soon, Chef, sa Manila. Pupunta ako when I go back in the Philippines next month. I will go back to Berlin again. Oh, you should. When are you coming back to Berlin? I hope you're coming this month because next month I'm going back to Philippines. What time? Oh, you're gonna sleep soon. I'm gonna do multi after 2 hours pa. After 2 hours and then I'm gonna do multi. I feel like you're gonna sleep already. Chef! See you soon, Chef! Uy, makikipagkita ko kay Chef next month. Talaga, sa Maynila. Chef, ano na, tour mo ko sa Manila, please. Hi, G! Hi, Rainiel! Want to visit Philippines? Yeah! Come on! You should try to visit Philippines. It's very fun, guys. Very, very fun. I'll be asleep. It's gonna be like 4:30. It's fine. I'll do multi again tomorrow. I'll be early tomorrow if you want. If you wanna join my multi. Hi, Onyet. You going to show me around? Of course! Yeah! Try to visit Philippines. I'll show you around. I had traveled 23 different... Wow! 23? Wow, that's a lot. I've only visited Germany. That's it. Yeah, wanna join again and laugh at pregnant men. Yeah, then set your alarm for tomorrow. I'm gonna do multi tomorrow again. Until Saturday. So what ang usual time mo lagi ng solo live? Oh, laging ganitong oras, Stans. Laging ganitong oras ako nag-solo. Thank you, VZ. BD for the beans. Thank you so much. Hi, Daddy Mac. Hi, John. Makikipag-balagbag ka na naman sa mga tatay. Oo naman. Lagi yan, content ko kasi yan, okay? Kaya nagmumulti ako. Where are you from? I'm from the Philippines. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go training and gym. Same, I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow. After yoga, then I'll go to the gym. When you're back in Philippines, the time difference. Yeah, I know, right? That's why I'm gonna do live in Philippines, guys. Again next month. Baka mahiya ako foreigner kasama namin kapag nagkita tayo. Ayaw mo yun, Chef? May foreigner kang kasama. Half lang pero. Thank you, BD. Thank you so much, BD, for the beans. Always take care. Love you. Thank you so much. Hi, Alzine. Thank you, BD. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.